everything will fall to the right place. Trust the process and have faith on yourself. Salamat.
Iyak ka na. Lumiyak na siya.
Wala pa
Baby,
lumo.
we got
Lost in translation, maybe I asked more too much. You are more than who you are. You can start over anytime, like today. You can do everything. Believe in yourself. Wow, puro yourself is
Iyak ka na din.
Yan ka na din.
Ay, hindi umiyak. Char.
Pero we got lost in translation.
Don't be afraid of change because it is leading you to a new beginnings.
Char.
Life sucks, but at the end of the day, you are you. Walang kanta?
Maybe we got lost in translation. Sabi ko na everybody. Everybody.
Ayun lang
Okay.
for ating
Yeah.
short activity.